type of entertainment we was looking for to come grace this stage, because this ain't just any stage. This Cat's Carpet. Cat is my mother's nickname. And anybody that know my mom, she ain't play about her carpet. You know what I mean? So that's why it's lined up like this. If it was off a little bit, she would notice it. And she'd have a problem with your motherfucking ass. So I created this environment because she was also my biggest fan as well. So this is my way of making sure that she still see me rock the mic. You heard me?
Hey, can I get it alone? Let's go. I said I guess I gotta live it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I said I guess I gotta live it here.
What? You ain't gotta be alone, boo.
How many niggas have we got in here? Let's go. Let's go. One, two. It's all good, baby. One say they don't be tell me come through. Them chickens when they fuck, now they ran through. Prayers for that hustle, then I make moves. Cash flight feelings, I dismiss fools. Walk up on that fire on my 1-2. I made them out of liar niggas, big fool. City where them skinny niggas slides. I be OT, niggas on the outside. I miss my kids and my mama. See everybody left, yet I stood with the drama. Looking for Michelle as I stand Obama. Took a couple L's trying to fix Osama. Loyal to that move like a 96 Honda. Ready for my kids, just real Hosanna. Fuck about a bitch who switch heart armor. Dolo, ride with that stick, 2 shots. Let's go. I said I guess I gotta live it here alone.
Yeah.
That's okay. I guess I gotta live it here alone. How many big fans we got in here? 1, 2, 3. It's all good, baby. Hey, come on. It's all good, baby. Love, come on. It's all good, baby. Love, you love your life. Put your hands up. It's all good. Oh my God. Let's go. Hey. Hey, yo, y'all enjoying yourself? Let me get a yeah.